You can see how the dust collects on silk flowers. They're not in main high traffic area, but the dust collects. I'll show you how to get rid of the dust very easy. It's just starting to rain outside, so we just stick ours outside in the gentle rain every once in a while. So setting these out in the natural, gentle rain is the best way to wash them. They're going to look clean as new, and we won't even have to scrub them. Just let the water come down. If it's a torrential shower, you're not going to want to put them out probably. But a nice gentle rain like this, they'll look good as new. And I just found another one that's filthy too, so can't wait to see them when I bring them back in. These are looking so much better. Our rain got cut a little short. I'd leave them out longer to get a little cleaner for the rest if we had more rain. So next time we do, I'll stick them back out here. This is literally no effort. Just bring them outside, let the natural rain clean them just as if they were real flowers. They'll perk up and look bright and cheery again.